Hello, my name is Courtney of Courthousecouture. I'm a lawyer, but not your lawyer. And yes, I've been practicing law for 16 years in the state of Texas. And behind me, I have the order denying the new trial of Karmelo Anthony. After a 2-day, very detailed motion for new trial hearing, Karmelo Anthony's new legal team established a legal record in a case that didn't have one. A case where there were no pretrial motions, seemingly no exchange of discovery, a very ambiguous gentleman's agreement or agreements resulted in Karmelo Anthony not testifying. Judge Chitty felt there was no need or cause for a new trial. This case has obviously been very polarizing, and even though Judge Roach, the initial judge in the Karmelo Anthony trial, didn't feel that race was a factor, it definitely was. But I can tell you that about 90 to 95% of criminal cases are actually resolved through plea bargain rather than trial. And that's one of the reasons that motions for new trial are very rare. The next steps for this case could literally include direct appeal. One of the things that I understood when this case started is that there is no winner in a murder trial. One family has obviously lost a loved one. One family is concerned about the fate of their loved one. Adding the circumstances in this case, there's no real winners at the end of the day. The online discussion around this has been very interesting. What I can tell you is part of the reason that I tried to remain unbiased and I really tried to think through this case, because the same year that I became a lawyer, my own cousin was brutally murdered. She was 8.5 months pregnant. She died. Her unborn baby died. Her fiance was murdered as well. It was all over TV, even on Nancy Grace. I understood from a deep place, this is not a case that you can talk about like it's a football game. It's going to be interesting to see what steps are taken next by the new defense team for Karmelo. I hope what people can actually take away are the community conversations that likely need to occur. So hopefully we can avoid something like this in the future. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.